Temperature just dropped about 20 degrees and it's raining, so
We did make it.
might should have put them britches on.
Yeah.
How's it going?
I'm Paul.
Paul and Jack.
Jack.
Nice to meet you. You're wet from the belly button down. Man, that was about the hardest rain I've ever ridden in.
Make my butt crack is dripping.
My wife hates that joke, by the way. There's more badass bikers over here.
Hey, you better watch it.
Yeah.
Yeah, honey, I'm the bogey biker, and you know I'm here to stay.
Good morning, folks. Today is the day of our group ride down to the Three Twisted Sisters. You just saw my brother Jay loading up his bike. His youngest son has his last home football game tonight, and if they win, they go to the playoffs. If they lose, they don't. So anyway, obviously he's not going to miss that, so he is going to the football game, and then about 3 o'clock in the morning, he's gonna trailer his bike down to Kerrville and meet us down there and be down there in time for the ride. So I know the timing for him is not ideal, and he's really going out of his way to really just to be there and support me. So I'm very appreciative of that. And I'm appreciative of all of you who are gonna make it down for what's hopefully is gonna be a great weekend. I know it's gonna be a great weekend. It is muggy, kinda warmish, overcast. We got a chance of rain today. Tomorrow's looking great. Might have some weather, but I'm gonna get suited up and ride solo to Gatesville, where some of you, I believe, are gonna meet me there, and then we're going to head to Kerrville. So, let's do it. What's up, fellers? How's it going?
I'm Paul.
Paul and Jack.
Jack.
Nice to meet you.
And a new line didn't charge me shit.
Appreciate you coming.
Bet.
What's up, fellas?
We thought you said 1 in the morning.
Yeah. What's up, man? How are you?
Glad. Oh man, it's gonna be a good day.
Yeah.
Cliff,
Cliff, I'm Jack.
nice to meet
Nice
you.
to meet you. Appreciate you coming.
We done met him before.
Yeah. Y'all know each other before?
No, you.
Oh, yeah. All right, tell me where you're from and what you're riding.
Paul, I'm from Mineola, Texas, and 2019 Street Glide.
2019 Street Glide.
Charlie, Carlos, Texas. Population me when I'm home. 17 Ultra.
17 up. This one good here, Charlie?
Richard from Carlos. I got a 2016 Wide Glide.
Charlie and Richard have made both the concerts at the Crawford Cone in the last few months, so we're glad to have them back.
Cliff David from Magnolia, 2015 Ultra Limited.
That's the hardest rain I've ever ridden in. So how we make it in the rain?
We did make it.
We made it?
Yeah,
We think we're almost out of it, but
we hope so.
your legs get a little wet.
A little bit.
Might should have put them britches on.
Yeah. They're good and dry though. They're in the bag.
It's always good when your rain gear is good and dry.
Yeah.
Man, that was about the hardest rain I've ever ridden in.
I keep playing. I don't think the heavy stuff's gonna come down for quite a while.
We're in Llano, Texas, about an hour away. I don't know, we might have to go a little bit slower. I'm taking it pretty easy, but we're hoping we're almost out of it. How them britches?
Make my butt crack get tripping.
I should have put them britches on.
Yeah.
How we making it?
Yeah.
You're wet from the belly button down.
Yeah.
Left pound, 60.
How's it going?
Good, how do you guys doing?
Good. Trying to stay dry.
Yeah.
On the road again. All right, it was a rainy ride getting down here, but we made it to the hotel. I'm at the Hampton Inn in Kerrville, Texas. But we had a good ride considering the weather. Now we're gonna get ready and go meet whoever's here at Mamacita's. So my Indy Ridge boots kept my feet nice and dry. So I'm happy about that. All right, we'll see what the night holds. All right, I'm here with, see if I can do this. Jose, Richard, Charlie, Rick, Brian, Jerry. Did I get all that right?
Yep.
And we're all sort of dried off. These are the smart guys that trailer down here, and the rest of us rode, but we're about to go get us some.
We have a story.
Yeah. And hadn't heard from Kelly B, but we're gonna go get us some Mexican food, because you know I like my food like I like my women, hot and Mexican. My wife hates that joke, by the way. She said it's not women, it's woman. Okay, so anyway, I love you. All right, so we're gonna hit the road. Do it again. Ate too much. Shocker. How about you, Jerry?
Yes.
Quite a crowd, actually. Bunch of badass bikers.
Yeah, players I can
Look at all these badass bikers.
I tell you, you gotta roll out of there.
full badass bikers.
There's more badass bikers over here.
Hey, you better watch it.
Yeah.
See y'all tomorrow.
We'll be there.
Yes, sir.
Ride safe.
Always, you too.
All right, that was a fun night. I bet you there was, I don't know, 30 or so bikers at the dinner. So it was nice to meet all those folks, and I'm back at the room. I told him I wish I was up for drinking whiskey and telling lies all night, but
I'd like me a splash of whiskey to wash the trail dust off in my gullet and keep my singing voice in fit.
I ain't got it in me tonight, so I'm here editing video. And we'll ride the sisters mañana. See you next time.
Yeah, honey, I'm the bogey biker. And you know I'm here to stay.